Imagine this chair represents your financial stability. In today's unpredictable world, many are just one unexpected event away from losing that stability. But what if you could transform that uncertainty into confidence? What if you could design a future where financial anxiety is minimal and security is your new normal? Welcome to your journey toward financial empowerment in 2025. Today, we'll explore actionable strategies to manage your money effectively and build a future free from financial worry. The first step is setting clear financial goals. Define what financial success looks like for you. Is it owning a home, building an emergency fund, planning for retirement? Establishing specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals provides a roadmap to financial success. Next, create a realistic budget. Track your income and expenses to understand your spending habits. Categorize your expenses into needs and wants and allocate funds accordingly. This practice ensures you live within your means and directs money toward your priorities. Building an emergency fund is crucial. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund acts as a financial cushion against unexpected events, reducing stress and providing peace of mind. Manage debt wisely by understanding the difference between good and bad debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts and avoid accumulating unnecessary liabilities. Responsible debt management is key to financial freedom. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth. Start early to take advantage of compound interest. Diversify your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk and maximize returns. Continuous financial education empowers you to make informed decisions. Utilize resources like books, seminars, and online courses to enhance your financial literacy and adapt to changing economic landscapes. Leverage technology to streamline your financial management. Budgeting apps and financial planning tools can help you monitor spending, set savings goals, and stay on track. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Financial advisors can provide personalized strategies tailored to your unique situation, helping you navigate complex financial decisions. Cultivate a positive money mindset by viewing financial management as a pathway to freedom rather than a burden. Embrace habits that align with your financial goals and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, the choice between financial freedom and constant worry is yours. By implementing these strategies, you can build a secure future where financial anxiety is minimal. Which financial strategy resonates most with you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share it with others seeking financial empowerment. Together, we can create a community of financially confident individuals. Empower your finances, transform your future,